Good morning everyone. In the last video I have explained that TSC TCR type control circuit. Today I am going to explain the evaluation of FACS controllers and its classification based on type of controller. So our FACS controllers based on type of connection, they have broadly classified into series type, shunt type, series and series connection, and series and shunt connection, which was discussed in the previous videos. Now I am going to explain the classification of FACS controllers based on type of controllers. Broadly, there are two types of FACS controllers. The early FACS devices are variable impedance type controllers, in which the susceptance of the capacitor and reactors are varied by using thyristors, SCRs. So in the variable impedance type, there are two types of controllers. Very first one is shunt type controller. Example, static var compensator, SVC. The second one is TCSC, thyristor controlled series capacitor, in which both the controllers have been controlled by changing its susceptance by varying the firing angle, alpha, firing angle of the thyristors. Those are the variable impedance type FACS controllers. Those are like early type FACS devices. The latest devices are converter based type controllers. In the converter based controllers, 2-level or 3-level voltage source converters have been used to inject the reactive power at a particular bus, preferably at load buses of the interconnected power system, in which the dynamic variation of the reactive power can be controlled by using indirect control and direct control of VSC, so that it can be used as variable current injection at which it is connected. In variable impedance type, you have SVC and TCSC. In converter based type, we have STATCOM and SSC. STATCOM is a shunt device, SSC is a series device. Now let me focus on the classification and the characteristics of the controllers. Very first one is this is the classification of the FACS controllers. in which here variable impedance type, the very first one is variable impedance type, in which the susceptance of the capacitance BC is varied, as well as the susceptance of the inductor BL is also varied. Therefore, by varying BC and BL, you can vary IC and IL, that is the total current, that is the total current of the SVC. So the ISVC is the total current of SVC equal to IC minus IL. So IC minus IL, this is the total current of SVC. So by changing these two susceptances, you can vary the SVC current, ISVC, as you require. So therefore, you can change the injection of reactive power, either it is lagging or leading, doesn't matter. So this is the basic philosophy of your variable impedance type FACS controller, which can be obtained by using variable capacitance in combination with the variable inductance, which can be achieved with the help of thyristors.